Welcome to the Fifth Third Bank Tutorial App Guide, designed to help you navigate and utilize the mobile banking application efficiently. To begin, download and install the Fifth Third Bank app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and select the Get Started option to initiate the registration process. You will need your Fifth Third Bank debit or credit card, account number, or username and password to complete the registration. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the required information and create a username and password for the app. After registering, you will be prompted to set up security measures such as a 4-digit passcode or biometric authentication, including facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. To secure your account, to access your account information, select the Accounts tab, which displays your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks remotely using the mobile deposit feature. To pay a bill, navigate to the Pay Bills section. Select the payee, enter the payment amount and date, and confirm the transaction. For fund transfers, select the Transfer Funds option. Choose the source and destination accounts. Enter the transfer amount, and authorize the transaction. To deposit a check, select the Mobile Deposit option. Take a picture of the front and back of the check, enter the deposit amount, and confirm the transaction. The app will guide you through the process and provide instructions on how to endorse the check and take a clear photo. In addition to these features, the Fifth Third Bank app allows you to locate ATMs and branches, access account alerts and notifications, and contact customer support. To customize your experience, explore the Settings section, where you can modify your account preferences, update your profile information, and manage your security settings. By following these steps and exploring the features of the Fifth Third Bank app, you can efficiently manage your accounts, conduct transactions, and stay connected with your financial information on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your login credentials confidential to protect your account.